As you keep driving, you just get different perspectives, and sometimes you'll see more green, and sometimes it's just going to be more sandcastles. But it's nice how you can get a different perspective from taking these different side roads. So really am enjoying the first right that you take once you enter the Badlands. It's really pretty out here.
Always try to take the long way home. Skip familiar places that I know. I always seem to find the open road. I'm looking for it everywhere I go. Hey, this is life in the Badlands, Badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. But try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the Badlands. Always making friends along the way. So pack your bags and let's leave for the day. Take your worries, make them go away. Turn the music up and let's escape. This is life in the Badlands, Badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. But try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the Badlands. So take the leap, help us see. Take some time out of reach. You and me, wild and free. Just believe and follow me. This is life in the Badlands, Badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. But try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the Badlands.
Interesting how it goes from gray and then it gets to pink up here. Badlands National Park is known for its stunning rock formations with vivid colored bands that can be seen from pinnacle to pinnacle.
for it everywhere I go. Yeah, this is life in the Badlands, Badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. Try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. I just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the Badlands. Always making friends along the way. So pack your bags and let's leave for the day. Take your worries, make them go away.
Gosh, it's so nice. Made in America. $80. It's a really nice gift shop. Let's go down on the other side. It's really nice. My husband loves to do puzzles. Honey, you love to do puzzles.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah, those are nice. I really like the buffalo ones. And they got Scrabble. I can beat you at Monopoly, huh?
No, I won't play Monopoly.
You won't play Monopoly with me?
Because you always win.
Buffalo Stomp. Well, they got some nice wines from the vineyard.
Oh, okay, yeah, he's right there.
Well, let's go see if we can find any hats from the Badlands. My husband and I love to find hats. Honey, did you find any hats?
Yeah, they have a better selection this time. This was kind of nice.
Oh, that is nice. And it's nice and firm. Will you like it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, good.
Come see what you think about these hats. There's some nice ones all around.
Okay.
See what you think.
That one looks nice. I think that one would look really nice on you. I do like it.
Where's your dad?
That look okay?
No, that looks good. You want to go check it
Yeah,
out?
let me go check it out.
Okay. So many interesting books to read. That's interesting. Oh, I like that.
These are
color.
more for ladies.
Oh,
This is pretty and it's
yeah, that's
stiff,
really
too.
pretty. Okay. So, honey, let me try that one on. Let me see it. Okay, I
They
like
got all of these, see?
We found what we were looking for, and now I can go take a nice little walk before we leave here. Ben Reifel Visitor Center has a museum and exhibits of extinct animals that once roamed the Badlands National Park. There is also a 20-minute film on the Badlands called Land of Stone and Light. There are 4 species of animals that have been reintroduced into the Badlands since 1939. The black-footed ferret, bighorn sheep, American bison, and the swift fox. These species are well adjusted and doing great at the Badlands National Park. Cliff Shelf Nature Trail is 0.5 miles round trip. It's a nice short hike with splendid views of the Badlands. The trail can be completed within 12 to 30 minutes. The loop trail follows boardwalks and steers through a lush green forested area of juniper trees. This is where I spotted the black-billed magpie. The black-billed magpie is a medium-sized bird that measures 18 to 24 inches from tip to tail. Its iridescent greenish-black tail is between 9.5 to 12 inches long. Bison disappeared from the Badlands in 1861 and throughout the West. The American buffalo were hunted to the brink of extinction. When the Badlands became a park in 1939, there were no bison within its boundaries. In 1963, 60 of the bison were relocated from several western parks and are doing great, as if they had never left the park. There are over 1,000 bison which live in the Badlands National Park.
There's a place beyond the silver moon. If we drive, then we can get there soon. Ride, close your eyes and ride with me. We could park out on the edge of town. Hearts so high, they coming down.